सब गाइस, मैं हूँ टिजन एंड दिस इज़ गोना बी माय फिटनेस यूट्यूब चैनल। और इस चैनल में आई बी पोस्टिंग सम टिप्स एंड वॉट एवर एक्सपीरियंस आई हैड थ्रू माय फिटनेस जर्नी। सो आज के वीडियो में हम शोल्डर प्रेस के बारे में बात करेंगे एंड आई एम गोना डिवाइड दिस वीडियो इनटू 4 पार्ट्स। द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज द सेटअप of the bench, which is the most important part. The second part would be the form of this workout, the shoulder press, and the third part is the breathing technique that we need to follow throughout the movement, and the fourth part will be the major mistakes that I have seen people doing in the gym. So let's head on to the first part, the setup. If we are putting the bench in a 45 degree, yeah, actually it is gonna hit your chest. So instead of putting the bench in a 45 degree angle, we need to keep the bench exactly straight. पूरा straight रहना चाहिए ताकि तुम अपना बैक पूरा रेस्ट कर पाओ और तुम्हारा बैक फुल टाइम straight रहेगा. If the bench is not straight, you're gonna feel your chest more than your shoulders. So it's better to keep the bench straight. Coming to the second section of this video, the form of this workout. So shoulder press is actually a very effective movement for the front delts of your shoulder. So the form is equally very important as the setup. I've seen a lot of people, they overextend their arms. उनका shoulder बिल्कुल ऐसे arms बिल्कुल पीछे चला जाता है shoulder से, वो बिल्कुल गलत है. So it's better to keep your arms a little bit forward in an angle और उसके बाद try to push your arms. You can try it yourself. You'll feel the difference. Keep your arms behind your shoulders and you'll feel pain. इस वक्त तुम properly अपने front delts of the shoulders को train कर रहे हो. एक angle पे रखा and then try to push slowly. The movement should be slow and controlled always. Keep your dumbbells over your knees. Kick up. When the weight gets heavier, it's really hard to handle those weights. तो अपने knees के ऊपर weight को रखो. Kick up करो, over your shoulder, kick up. Keep it in an angle, not behind your shoulders. Don't overextend it. It is only going to lead to injuries. This angle is really important in order to feel your front delts of the shoulder. Then try to push up. And the fact that you don't need to touch your dumbbells up here. बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. एकदम straight जाने दो. Straight जाने दो. You don't need to hit them like this. Just keep it straight, slow and controlled reps. Now coming to the third section of the video, which is the breathing pattern. It applies to every movement in the gym. सारे movement में ये same breathing pattern apply होता है. जब भी तुम weight को अपने body से away push कर रहे हो, तो breathe out. Pushing, you are breathing out. You are using that muscle. So you breathe out. और जब तुम वापस आ रहे हो, like the eccentric part, breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Same applies to bench press. जब तुम bench press में नीचे को आ रहे हो, negative part of the movement में, breathe in. And when you're pushing the bar in the bench press, breathe out. Same goes with the lat pull down. When you're using your muscles to pull that thing, you breathe out, and during the negative part you breathe in. So now coming to the fourth section of the video, which is the major mistakes I have seen people doing in the gym. So सबसे पहला mistake है people overextending their glutes forward and keeping their chest up and using, actually in this movement people are using their chest instead of their shoulders. So actually लोग क्या करते हैं, जब weight बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो जाता है, they overextend their glutes and try to push it like this. In this movement, you are actually performing an inclined chest press. इसमें तुम्हारा upper chest train हो रहा है, not your shoulders. Choose a medium to heavy weight जो तुम control कर पा रहे हो, not ज़्यादा heavy weight. ज़्यादा heavy weight करोगे तो obviously तुम्हें cheating करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा overextend करके वो तो हो ही जाएगा. ऐसा weight चुनो जो तुम control कर पा रहे हो. Keep it over your knees. This is just for representation. Keep it over your knees. Kick up. जो अपना lower back है, it should be like really close to the bench and you should sit straight, absolutely straight. Don't overextend your glutes and chest like this. Absolutely straight. And your shoulders like this. And then and then perform the movement. और second mistake जो मैंने देखा है, ये मैंने initial part of the video में cover कर लिया था, people overextending their arms behind their shoulders. This is only gonna lead to injuries and nothing else. थोड़ा सा एंगल में रखो ताकि तुम्हारा shoulders at least safe रहे throughout the movement. थोड़ा सा आगे and try to push. इससे you can actually feel your front delts working. You can give it a try. You can try overextending your shoulders and try. You will feel the pain on your shoulders, which is not good at all. तीसरा मिस्टेक जो मैंने लोगों को करते हुए देखा in the gym is range of motion. Some people only perform half range of motion in all the workouts. Now talking about shoulder press, some people only perform till here. नीचे से बस इतना, नहीं तो ऊपर से बस इतना, नीचे नहीं जा रहे पूरा. Either this way or this way. Both of them are not gonna help. If you are performing shoulder presses, make sure that you are doing full range of motion to actually feel your front delts working. तो full range of motion क्या है? ज़्यादा नीचे भी नहीं आना. Your arms should be like parallel to the floor. उससे थोड़ा सा नीचे and then push. पूरा ऊपर. टच नहीं करना, टच भी नहीं करना. सीधा जाए, थोड़ा नीचे, ऊपर. अब जब हाफ रेंज ऑफ मोशन में परफॉर्म करोगे, your muscles won't properly stretch, it won't properly contract, the muscles aren't working. It's just working through that half range of motion. So अगर पूरी डेवलपमेंट और अच्छी डेवलपमेंट चाहिए फ्रंट डेल्ट्स के लिए, तो you have to go through full range of motion. So yeah, that's it for today's video. ये एक detailed video था for shoulder press. Whatever I have seen and I have learned while performing shoulder presses. So this was all about like military presses or shoulder presses. I hope you like this video and you found this video informative. अगर ये video आपकी fitness journey में help करेगा और and is actually giving you some value, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.